Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's Mary here, and I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to delete messages and chats on WhatsApp. So let's say you mistakenly sent a message to someone and you want to delete this message. You tap and hold on the message, and then you click on the delete option, which is the last option here, and then you click the delete icon. Here you can just delete for everyone, which means both you and the person you sent it to will be deleted. And then you can also choose delete for just me. That means only me will get the deleted message while the person can still receive the message. But here I would like to choose delete for everyone, so the message is totally wiped out. So for you to delete the person's chat or anyone's chat, you swipe right of the person on WhatsApp, and then you click on the more option, and then you click on delete chat, which is the last option here. After that, your chat will be deleted on WhatsApp. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.